Okay, Algebra 2 students. Today we're going to practice finding the slope of two ordered pairs. Whatever that line is, the slope is pretty much telling you how steep it is, okay? This would be a negative slope, this would be a positive slope. Horizontal is a zero slope, straight up and down, vertical is undefined, which means in undefined you would have a zero in the denominator. Horizontal, you would have a zero in the numerator, okay? But we probably won't get that in this example. So the formula for slope is m stands for slope equals y2 minus y1. Remember, these are subscripts. They are just telling us that we're pulling the y value from the second ordered pair. That's it. We don't actually use this 2 or this 1 in our actual math. x2 minus, x1. Okay, so let's plug it in. So I'm going to use this as my second ordered pair and this as my first ordered pair because that's the order they're in. Okay, and so we got -9 minus -6. Don't forget, you are subtracting whatever this value is. So if this is a negative, don't just do -6. It has to be minus -6. That's going to be a big area where you get tripped up. Okay, so then x2 is 5 minus 3. So we have got -9. This becomes +6. So we get -3 over 2. And we can't simplify anymore. So that is your slope for this example. And one thing that you'll see, I did this in a previous example. I think it was for the distance formula. Oh, I'm not sure. Okay, but you see we use this as our first ordered pair and this as our second. If at the very beginning you decide, I want to use this one as my first ordered pair and this as my second, that's okay. But just remember, whenever you're plugging in those values of the 1 for that first ordered pair, remember this one is your first ordered pair. You can't pick from this one for the y1 and then pick this one for the x1. It's not going to work. That is completely wrong. Okay, so let's try it and see if we get the same thing. Okay, so y2, now I'm pulling my 2's from this ordered pair. So -6 minus -9. Remember again, subtract that negative. And then x2, 3 minus 5 equals, so you get -6 plus 9 is 3 all over -2. You get the same thing, -3 over 2. Because remember, your negative sign can be in the numerator, out in front, or in the denominator. Same thing.